The Husqvarna Z254 zero-turn lawnmower relies on a durable drive belt to transfer power from the engine to the mower deck and cutting blades. Over time, this belt can wear out, stretch, or crack due to constant tension and exposure to debris. When the belt begins to fail, you may notice reduced blade performance or unusual noises while mowing. Replacing the drive belt is a straightforward maintenance task that helps restore smooth operation and ensures your mower continues cutting efficiently. Try these. Step 1. Turn off the mower, remove the ignition key, and disconnect the spark plug for safety. Step 2. Lower the mower deck and locate the existing drive belt underneath the deck assembly. Step 3. Release the belt tension by moving the tensioner pulley away from the belt. Step 4. Remove the worn belt from the engine pulley and deck pulleys, then route the new belt in the same path. Step 5. Reapply tension using the tensioner pulley and check that the belt sits correctly in all pulleys before starting the mower.